If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture on basic level where we are solving Tripura University diploma first semester questions on straight line and coordinate geometry. So today we will be solving again 4 questions, question number 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. If we come to question number 17, find the polar coordinates. So polar coordinates, again I have mentioned it is 2, then minus 1. So it is in fourth quadrant, 2, minus 1. So this will be your r, this will be your theta. So what will be your r? Under root 2 square plus minus 1 square, that is root 5. And what will be theta? Theta you can see, you can directly write it because it is from this direction, so you can write it minus tan inverse. And I told you take mod of this one. Once you draw this figure, you know which quadrant it is, then there is no need of keeping the signs here. You make it mod, just you take this value. Just you take the value 2 and 1, 2 and 1. Just this value lengths, because plus minus we have already considered. That's why we have given it minus, because this angle is minus angle. If I look from this side, it is negative. Or you can write it 360 minus theta also. Then it will be this angle. So in either ways you can write. So it's better you write it in this way. So it is tan inverse 2, no root 2. It is tan inverse 2. So your polar form will be equal to root 5 comma minus. So P will be equal to root 5 comma minus tan inverse 2. So this is the polar form. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point this and perpendicular to the straight line this. Now you have seen some shortcuts to write the perpendicular directly from this. So you can use that shortcut, or suppose if it is not done in your class, you can take the perpendicular line. So I am doing the shortcut here and I will do the original method. So we know perpendicular line will be what? You change the coordinate of x and y. So I have changed the coordinates, coefficients. It is plus 3, it is minus 4. I have changed the positions x and y. And any one of the sign you change. So I change this sign because minus I make it plus and then it is y. And let it be k. So it is 4x plus 3y equal to k. So this is the shortcut actually. We know perpendicular, equation of perpendicular line. You can write, we know equation of perpendicular line. Perpendicular to 1, suppose, is this one. You change the position of coefficients of y and x. So it was minus 4, I kept it here, and it was plus 3, I kept it there. And then either of this sign you change. Either this you make minus, or this you minus make you plus. So this line, now it passes, now 2 passes through, what is the condition? 2 passes through 2, 1. So if I put it 2, 1, it should satisfy. So for 2s are 8, 3. So your k should be equal to 11. Therefore the equation of the line is, what is the equation of the line? 4x plus 3y equal to, we will be extensively using in JEE and JEE Advanced this shortcut method, because this will save some time and it will be easy to interpret also. Or suppose you don't want to use this one, so you write it in y equal to mx and then find the slope, because this is perpendicular means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. You need to find the slope of the another line. So it will be 4y equal to 3x minus 6. So y equal to 3 by 4x minus 6 by 4. So your m1 is equal to 3 by 4. So we know because it is perpendicular, m1, m2 should be equal to minus 1. So it will take some time, that's why I told you. So this will be equal to minus 4 by 3. So now you know the slope, and you know the slope of the another line which is perpendicular to this, and that line also passes through this. You draw, I told you, you try to draw the figure always. Suppose this is a line. This is the line given, 3x minus 4y is equal to 6. So you have to find the equation of this line. Which line? This line, and which is passing through point 2, 1. So you know slope of this one, m1 you got, it is 3 by 4. If you want to visualize it, that's why I am visualizing. So what is the slope of this line? m2 you got. So for this line you know two things. Slope you know, and it is also passing 2, 1. So it is point slope format. So you can write the equation. What was the format? Y minus y1. Y minus y1 m x minus x1. So if you do this one, it is 3y minus 3 minus 4x plus 8. So 4x plus 3y is equal to 11. The same answer you will get, but here it will be little time taking, and here it will be easy. But this visualization is important. So this line is given, you need to find the perpendicular of this line and also passing through this point. So you know slope of this one, you find slope. So for this line you know slope and point. So for slope point formula you write the equation of this line. So 19, find the area of the triangle formed by the points this. So For triangle you can draw this point, so it is minus 2 means somewhere here, and then 2 comma 2, no need to draw also, but I always prefer to drawing it so that you can feel it what is here. Minus 2 root 3 comma, so it will be here. Minus x is negative and y is positive. So this is the triangle they are asking to find the area. So if I take this one x1 y1, so I always take in anti-clockwise direction for these coordinates. So you always make it a habit, so there will be no problem, otherwise you will get a minus sign in the area. So there is no need to get minus sign, you take absolute, that's also okay, but you remember this formula. And what was this formula? What is this area? It is half into x1 then y2 minus y3 plus x2. If you start with x2, then it x3 y3 minus y1, and if you start with x3, then it is 3, then it is y1 minus y2. So I told you how to remember this one, this diagram I told you cyclic. If you start from 1, then it is 2 3, start from 1, then it is 2 3, if you start from 2, it is 3 1, if you start from 3, then it is 1 2. So using this you can remember. Now the thing is very easy, now you just put the values. So it is minus 2, y2 is 2 minus y3 is 2 root 3, then it is x2 is plus 2, then y3 is 2 root 3, then it is minus 2, then let me write it plus, then x3 is your minus 2 root 3, then it is y1 is minus 2, then y2 is again minus 2. So if you simplify it, I am not doing it, if you simplify it, it is 8 root 3. So this is the answer. You can easily simplify it, it will be 16 root 3 divided by 2, 8 root 3. So 20 is the same question, find the area of the form, just this minus 2 is changed at plus 2, that's it. So again I am not, I think you can do it, it is minus 2 plus 2, so it is minus 2 plus 2, so it will be somewhere here, minus 2 plus 2 now, and minus 2 plus 2, 2 2, 2 2 2, and then minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3, it will be somewhere here, minus 2 root 3, because little more than this one, and minus 2 root 3, and then 2 root 3. So this is the triangle now. So this is the triangle. So you can again use, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. So everything will remain same, only the y1 position will change. Y1 becomes, it was minus 2, now it is plus 2. So this position and this position will change, everything will remain same. So I am writing directly, so it will be this formula you write, then you write all this value, so everything will be same, only this y1 will change, it will be minus 2 and 2 root 3, it will be, instead of minus 2 it will be plus 2, rest will be same. So I think if you do it, you will find, you can do it, you will find 4 into root 3 minus 1. So you check this calculation. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.